Hi everyone, welcome back to Jilly's Nails. Today we are going to do something very different. I got some PR in the mail, so we are going to go over the Beauty Big Bang Stamping Starter Kit. Now to start off, this thing's $2.99. So let me just put that out there. $2.99, that's it to get a stamping starter kit, and it is everything you need to start. It comes with this cute little book. It talks about makeup that they have. It shows that they have nail tools available. If you're unfamiliar with this company, they are based out of China, but they do have a U.S. warehouse. So if you order specifically from the U.S. warehouse, and of course you're in the U.S., you will get your packages faster that way. However, not everything is available on the U.S. website, so keep that in mind. Sometimes if you order, it's from China, so it can take a couple weeks to get here. My dogs are being really loud in the background, so if you hear that, I'm sorry. They're making me a little nuts tonight. The plate that comes with this, now this is $2.99. It comes with a stamper, a scraper, one plate, and one polish. When you are stamping, make sure that you take the blue layer off. You would not believe how many people do not do that and then don't understand why the plate's not working. I just rolled a little cotton ball up there so I could grab it with my pincher. If all you have is cotton balls, that's one way to kind of keep fuzzies in check. Just roll it in between your fingers real quick. And I'm going through with acetone to clean this off very thoroughly because that was a very sticky cover that was on it. The colors that we're going to use today are Blacklist from Sinful Colors. We're going to use Snow Me White from Sinful Colors. The next one is called Gold Mind Your Own Business. Oh, and I wanted to tell you that that white one was being a little patchy today. I wasn't impressed with it today. That one's called Gold Mind Your Own Business. I bought it last night. It's freaking beautiful. I love it. It has hollow in it. It's so pretty. I don't know why they call it gold though. It looks more bronze. Anyway, this one is called Awakening. I think it's from an older collection because the brush on it's very, very thin like the old brush styles. And this one is called You're a Mean One. I love these colors. Every color on my hand except for the white. I was in love with it today. I wanted to make a mani out of it. I actually wanted to replace that white with beaches and cream and do a mani and keep it on. That's how much I like these colors together. Now, this stamping kit comes with one of the floppier stamping cards. I know I've mentioned it several times in my Halloween videos, but I couldn't find one to show you. I know I have some somewhere. They're hiding in my drawers. Um, and I thought this one was really cute. It's got little Christmas designs on it. And then the ice cube style stamper, very much like the Maniology stamper. It just says Beauty Big Bang on the side. Some other people have mentioned if you want to keep that stuff on there and make sure it doesn't come off, to cover it in a clear gel polish. It's a great idea if it bothers you. I don't care. What I do care about is this dang stamper doesn't have a lid. Now come on. It's $2.99. Charge me 50 cents. Give me a lid. It really irks me that this does not have a lid. I have pets. It doesn't matter how much you clean. The pets are in the house. A hair is going to get on stuff. So the fact that this does not have a lid really does bother me. I would seriously pay more money just to have a lid. The polish, I just let Maniology pick, or not Maniology, Beauty Big Bang. I let them pick what they were going to send me. I really didn't care what color it was. I kind of just wanted to compare it to the Maniology starting kit. So they picked this set for me. Honestly, it's not something I would have picked, but I don't mind it. I think it's fine. And I would not have picked another pink polish. I'm overflowing with pink and reds right now. It's really on my nerves. So that seems to be a common theme in the Maniology group, though. We're all tired of pink. Say that to say, this is a very pretty pink. The polish went on very smooth, and if you notice, I'm holding this scraper at a very low angle to make sure I get a smooth application. I didn't have quite enough polish on there to cover the whole image, but my nails aren't that big, I don't need it. However, that is one of the things I do like about this style of plate, is because there's only 4 images on it and they're so wide. If you have really wide nails, you can go in from the outside edge and press your nail towards the inside edge and it will cover your whole nail. So I even have problems sometimes with extra large size plates. They don't cover my whole thumbnail. I have really big manly thumbnails. So it's kind of hard to get them covered up all the way. So I do like that about this plate for sure. And this pattern I think has ended up being my favorite. I actually really liked this nail. And I really like this scraper too. I'm going to use that a lot more, you'll see. I really like that one. But this I thought came out really great. Um, I am kind of rocking it around because I'm not sure with this stamper how firm it is or if it's soft and you can just press straight up and down. I will tell you I tried it both ways. It seems to work better straight up and straight down. This one is a little more mushy and softer than the Maniology ones. Those are a little bit more firm, so you can kind of mash this and it'll go all the way around your nail a little bit better than the Maniology Ice Cube does. The Maniology Ice Cube, sometimes you have to rock it. So, and the thing about rocking it is sometimes if all of the image didn't come off, you can double back on yourself and it will cause that image to basically smear itself. There'll be clean straight lines, but the image will go back over itself. And you don't want that to happen. And I did do that in a video I was recording today, so you'll see that soon. Now, I tried all four of the different quadrants on the plate. They all stamped well. I liked them all. Of the four quadrants, the ones that have the really strong triangle geometric stuff that I did on my thumb, this one that I'm about to use again, that one did not seem to pick up quite as clean. Now, as you can see, again, I didn't put enough polish on. So it could have been me and the polish. I don't think it was the stamping plate itself. I think it was what I did with my technique on it. And I don't even blame the stamp and polish because it really is genuinely a nice stamping polish. Like if you're in the market for that kind of pink, go for it. Even if you're not, for $2.99, just buy all three of them anyway and give one away. I mean, really, $2.99 for 3 stamping kits. The only thing I don't like about that particular set of stamping kits is you do only get the one small plate. But if you're friendly with somebody and you're just, hey, let me give you this to see if you might like it. You notice somebody paints their nails all the time. You want to give them something to try out, like a Dirty Santa gift, something like that. These would be perfect. I really do like them. And for the price, that price is ridiculously inexpensive. I've never seen anything like that for that price. I do not know how those people are making a profit off of this, honestly. The polish is nice. It is a smaller bottle. It is not a full-size bottle. If you're familiar with the Maniology bottles and their starter kits, they're a little bit bigger than those. So it is not a full-size bottle of polish, just know that. But it's bigger than a sample size, like when OPI does their Christmas minis or whatever. It's bigger than that. It's about twice the size of one of those. So I definitely think this is worth it. This is not an affiliate thing. This is not sponsored. They gave me a discount code for you if you want to try any of their products. It is Jillies, Jillies. I do not make a commission off of that. I do not make money off of it. And they are not paying me to say any of this. Truth. I like it. Like, I don't know if I would buy them again. The designs don't really speak to me overall, but the plates work, the polishes work, the product is good. So if it's something that suits your fancy, go for it. Absolutely 100% I would check them out. Now on this one too, and I don't know if you can see it in the final reveal shot, I did smear that pink nail just a little bit with the top coat. Again, I think that was me. I didn't let it really dry long enough, but I liked it. And when I put these color combos together, I did it for a very specific reason because they all had different finishes. They all had kind of different feels to them and the color combos. It's always good when you're testing a stamping polish to see, does it show up over white? Does it show up over black? How does it look overall? And so I picked colors that were similar to it, colors that kind of contrasted a little bit, some so you could do a monochromatic to really just see if it was going to pop out and how it would look. And the thumb was on a matte finish. There's metallic finishes in there and there's cream finishes in this mani. And it performed well over all of them. So really and truly, I would recommend this, hands down, no questions asked. And again, that little checkered pattern is my favorite. Don't be surprised if you see it again on this channel because it came out really, really cute. I liked it. The other designs on it were okay. Not really my style, but I didn't think I would like any of them, and I didn't dislike them. They're just not my favorite. Overall, definitely check it out. I really hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to start showing the shots of the colors that I used again at the ends, just to kind of give you an idea. So if you want to see it closer in the bottle or what it looks like. If you like that, let me know. If you think it's a waste, let me know too. I really appreciate you watching this. I hope you enjoyed this reveal shot. You can click on my face in the upper left corner if you want to subscribe and see more. You can click in the upper right hand corner and it will take you to more of my videos or videos that I suggest you watch from other nail artists. I really appreciate you watching. Thank you for popping in. I will see you again later this week. Thanks.